muchachos, welcome back to my channel. We're doing another skin video. I love doing videos focused on having beautiful skin and using natural ingredients, natural products, and natural ways of getting beautiful skin. I feel like it can be so easy to even go into like a Sephora or Nordstrom and buy something that has a lot of claims. Clear skin in 1 week, or more glowy skin, or pore reduction. And for the most part, all of these are filled with toxins and ingredients that actually aren't going to help your skin, usually long term. It's usually kind of temporary short term benefits that are also putting a lot of toxins into your skin. I'm learning more about having clean beauty and just really staying away from certain products that contain certain ingredients. Maybe I'll do a video talking about like ingredients to stay away from, how to know what's good, what's not. I'm still kind of detoxifying a lot of things in my life and in my beauty cupboard and in my makeup as well. Girl just placed a huge order of a bunch of clean beauty, mostly RMS makeup products. That video is coming to you soon. I'm so excited to do that. But for today's video, I thought I would come on firstly with a bare face, just so you guys can kind of see what I look like. No makeup, and now we're all rosy because I touched myself. And I wanted to share with you guys 5 different things that you can do to beautify your skin. I have something that is a like steaming facial. I have something that's actually a physical space you can put your body in, like a position. You'll see. And then I have 3 face masks that are great for purifying, detoxifying, clearing the skin, lightening any sunspots or dark acne scars as well. So I really hope you guys like this video. Everything that I use here is very affordable and it's very natural. So thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, more skincare videos. If so, tell me what kinds you would like to see. Other than that, we're just gonna hop into the video. Now, this may be a little weird because this is not something you actually put onto your skin or even into your body in order to have beautiful skin, but this is something that you can put your body into a position like this to get beautiful skin. I used to do this all the time in high school when I was really struggling with acne, uneven skin tone, and just really yucky combination skin. This helped a lot. So doing inverted positions is always something that you should talk to your doctor or your health practitioner about, because some people can do it, some people can't do it. It's the idea of lowering your head to a point where your heart is above it. For me, I've done this easy for over a decade and I'm completely fine to do these things. These are stretches that my chiropractor, my massage therapist has shown me to do, and it's also very comfortable to do this in pregnancy. So what this is going to do is improve circulation in the skin. Healing of the skin mostly comes from intense blood circulation. So this is going to help with glowiness and vitality of the skin. This is going to reduce acne, reduce those small little bumps on your forehead. You know exactly what I'm talking about. This is going to drain any puffy, kind of swollen areas. This is really going to brighten your skin as well. Highly recommended to do inverted positions. I love doing steaming facials because I find that they really purify the skin. In this steaming facial, I'm going to be using rosemary. You can use the herb itself or essential oils, or you can do a mix of both. That's what I'm doing. Rosemary is great for combating oily skin, overly oily skin, and clogged pores, as well as sea salt we'll be using here too. So I'm just gonna set up my little station. I have a nice towel. I'm gonna put a bowl down that has quite a wide rim on it. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of rosemary herbs. We're gonna add some sea salt, again, really gently cleansing the skin. And then once my water is completely boiled, I'm gonna go back to my bowl and fill it up as much as I would like to. adding in a few drops of rosemary essential oil, and I'm going to go ahead and just take a spoon and I'm going to thoroughly stir this up. So what this will do for the skin is gently cleanse it. This is going to soften a lot of the stuff in your pores that have come and have really clogged them or have increased your pore size over time. So after this, I always recommend doing a mask that's very purifying. I love doing this, and it really helps reduce oiliness in your skin as well. So I've always struggled with acne, and then as soon as I get acne, I always get a dark purple scar afterwards. Potatoes and lemons have always been my saving grace, and these are things I always come back to lighten hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, and also just to fight dull skin. So I'm gonna go in with a potato, about 2 teaspoons. I like to grate it because it lets go of a lot of the juices. Any type of potato will work. I just have a golden potato here. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of lemon juice in. A lot of people are either too sensitive for lemon juice, or a lot of people say lemon juice is bad for the skin. I would say, I guess it's kind of bad for the skin because it is quite acidic. But if it's gonna take my scars away, I don't care. So it's all up to you. I don't show this for all my masks, but I do warm them all up until they're, I would say, just a little bit more than lukewarm. The reason behind that is because it works a lot more effective on the skin when you put on a warm mask versus a kind of room temperature or even cold mask. So I'm going to put this all over my face. It pretty much looks like snot. But this is something that I actually do often to reduce acne scarring, brighten up the skin. It is quite a tingly mask, so if you find it's a little bit too much, you can reduce the time to 5 minutes, but I keep it on for about 10 to 15. I love doing this mask because it's really simple and easy to do, and my skin always looks amazing afterwards. This is going to brighten skin, remove dead skin cells, reduce puffiness, firm skin, even your complexion, fight acne, reduce pore size, and it smells amazing. We got oats here, honey, coffee. This is yummy. So I'm first just gonna go ahead and take 2 teaspoons of oats, and I'm going to grind them down. I just have a wooden mortar and pestle, and I'm going to grind it, not until it's like a flour, but I just need it a little bit more easy to work with. So I'm gonna add that to a bowl, as well as some used coffee grounds. They don't have to be used, but this is just a great way that I can reuse coffee grounds. I'm adding a dash of cinnamon just for increased stimulation, blood circulation, and some honey to make everything mix well and stick well. So go ahead and mash that up. And again, remember to put this in the microwave. We're gonna do that with our next mask as well because it has honey in it. Just makes it a little bit more easy to apply to the skin. You can already see it's a very kind of thick consistency, but this is what makes it, I honestly feel like, work so well. Also, it takes a little bit to scrub this thing off, which is gonna be great for exfoliating dead skin cells. This is just a good old mask. This is going to pay your bills. This is going to make you taller. I'm just kidding. But keep it on for about 30 minutes, and again, rinse with warm water. So a lot of people have very dry skin at this point, and I really recommend this mask for that, as well as improving blood circulation, reducing acne and scarring. So the main ingredient we're gonna have in here is nutmeg. That's our magic ingredient. So I have a little bit of honey. I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You can add a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on how kind of tingly you want this mask to be. Again, I'm heating it up, and you see it's just a lot more of a liquid state. This is one of my favorite masks to do. It's the most simple. It kind of looks pretty, actually. Looks like you're putting chocolate sprinkles on your face. This really does kind of tighten and lift the skin as well. And I find the more I use this, the less acne I get. And when I get acne, this is safe to use on top of that to help reduce any scarring that can occur from it.
It also tastes delicious, my friends. So again, I like to keep it on about 15-20 minutes and follow up with rinsing with warm water.
Thank you all very much for watching today's video. Let me know in a comment down below if you try any of these kind of recipes, and if you do, y'all better send me some pictures, especially if you do some of these face masks. Send it to me on my Instagram. It's right here, and I can repost if I see it. Sometimes I get so many messages, I actually can't see all of them, but Mama will try her best. Again, thank you for watching. Highly appreciated, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!